That's what we're doing today, as if the thumbnail title didn't give it away. We are installing your AR bolt catch. I think after this one, maybe a half a dozen or more steps until you're ready to go to the range. But with that, let's get this 3-minute job out of the way. Today we are talking AR rifle bolt catch installation. Here's our tail of the tape for recommended tools today. We are looking at a 1/16 inch punch. It doesn't matter if it's a roll pin or standard punch. Then we need a 3/32 inch roll pin punch. That's the one that's got the little nipple on the top. A pair of needle nose pliers can come in handy, and finally a mini persuader, little hammer, plastic or brass. Not only do they make this job easier to complete in seconds, but for those who are not trying to scuff up your lower yet, these are the right tool for the job, and that is a legitimate concern. Here we go, right into step number 1. It's setting the roll pin. Your new bolt catch assembly, whether it's a standard mil-spec version like the one I got here, or one of them fancy ones like Phase 5 extended bolt catches, it should have come with a spring, a plunger, and a little roll pin to hold everything in place. Bonus points if your receiver has a threaded version, because that should be a growing standard. It's so easy. Either way, guys, you gotta get this roll pin started before you can line up the whole shooting match and be done. For me, it's a pair of needle nose, the rubber or plastic side of the mini hammer, then a couple taps. Otherwise, the starter punches like this little guy encases the roll pin, holding it steady while you tap her in. Doesn't take much, and you'll be done in a couple seconds. On to step numeral 2, your bolt catch spring. It slides into your lowers DMs first, followed by the plunger, and then stop, because we're on to step number 3. Number 3, bring in your new replacement bolt catch. Depress everything, then slide that 1/16 inch punch from the other side to capture it all in one place, and we're ready for step 4. Step number 4, at this point, it's just a matter of using the 3/32 inch roll pin punch and hammer to tap the roll pin completely through while simultaneously pushing out the 1/16 pin out the other side. If you go too far, just tap a bit from the other side. If at any time you get tired of this bolt catch, follow everything in reverse, then back forward again with a new one. If you're now ready to move on to something new for your lower, or the next step, like installing a single stage trigger perhaps, we've got your installation video coming up next right over here.